And Kenya Airways is considering higher wages to entice back dozens of engineers who quit in the past years. About 70 engineers left the airline for greener pastures in Qatar and the United Arab Emirates after a tough financial period caused salary delays and industrial action. Well, the losses were attributed to a spate of militant attacks by the Somalia-based al Shabaab Islamist group that scared away tourists in the region. Chairman Michael Josephs also says that the airline is in discussions with the pilots union to allow them to hire foreign pilots on short-term contracts, if of course the need arises. Kenya Airways is part owned by the Kenyan government and part owned by Dutch airline KLM.